Hello and very good morning, team and guys. Welcome to today's live analysis. Today is June 22nd, 2023, Thursday, a weekly expiry. The current time is 9:11 a.m. IST, and let me just quickly share my screen. So, first of all, let me just start with the context. Okay, so overall, what am I seeing is I'm seeing balancing around the 43,930 levels. Okay, and we are above, or we are within the 3-day balance. So this was a 3-day balance, and we are currently trading and developing around the 3-day balance high. Okay, now yesterday 44,000 was the level where supply came in, and then after that we just saw some sideways development. But overall, we have got trap shorts. They are the ones who are currently keeping the overall prices higher. And as time is 9:12, the pre-open data is already out, and we are opening pretty flat. 43,874. So where we are opening. So we are opening way above this particular line. Okay, so currently what I'm seeing is there are a couple of stops around this level. Does it take those stops and continue, or does it takes those stops and reverses? Okay, so for me 43,930 is the level or the reference which I'll be looking at, and as it is opening like 15 points up, right? So from the structural perspective, we have got a couple of stops. So basically what I'm expecting is this stop and this stop to be taken out. So I'm expecting stop to be taken out and see if it reaches 44.20 and whether it takes out this level or not. Yeah. But overall we are opening flat, no major change, and plus yesterday there was no bigger delta or some new data which suggested that we will be having continuation. Okay, so now let me just mark my balance levels. Okay, so and also I'll mark my anchored VWAP. Okay, so overall we are opening around previous days range or previous days balance. No, nothing has changed, no major change has been seen. And if I just jump to the OI data, BankNifty price chart, no dashboard. So yeah, 44,000 is still a zone where a lot of call positions have been created. Okay, so I'm looking for this particular stops to be taken out and see what's the reaction happening. Currently I'm not logged also into my trading account. Let me just do that. Okay, so we are, wow, so the futures, it is, we had a nice gap down opening, and we are seeing continuation lower. Okay, so just logging into my trading account, sorry for that. But overall we took out the K period low, and now we are just developing higher. A nice look below and fail, and 930 again, 930 is the reference level which I shared is what I'm looking at. Now the price is developing higher, so let the price be chopped off. And today being some weekly expiry, just be careful. So overall we had a nice liquidity, and now we are seeing some short covering move happening. So I did miss this call trade, but yeah, that is fine. We did had a short covering move, and I am a bit slow today because I am actually working since 3 in the morning, so I'm a bit exhausted. Uh, yeah, so I'm just observing the market, observing the reaction, but basically what is happening is we took out the K period low, we looked below and failed. We took out the stops here and we looked above and failed. So this was a good trade to add a put, but yeah, that's fine. And we also have got some trapped buyer, and I'm just waiting for the first 3 minutes to give me some clarity. But yeah, it is developing around the 43,930 level. So I'm just going to give it some more time, let the bigger players fight it out, and let them help me provide some clarity. So I'll just again refresh my chart. So overall, we are, from the OI perspective, we are trading below 43,800 level. Okay. And let me just open the bigger chart. Okay. So yesterday we had a pretty balancing day. This was the balance. So I'll just remove the 3-day balance level. But we are seeing rejection from the prominent point of control. Okay. So I'm looking at the reaction at 9:30 because this is where supply is shutting off. And if I just look from the order flow data, the delta order flow, we are having trapped buyers around the high, and I'm seeing some supply coming in from the close. So yeah, pretty choppy. So what I'm waiting for is I'm waiting for some clarity. I have not taken any trades, pretty empty, and yeah, this is the current available funds, which I have at my disposal to trade. So a good supply is getting absorbed. Okay, so we hit the stops lower, we hit the stops higher. Now we are just chopping around. So let it chop. I'm waiting for some clarity, for some direction. Okay, so massive liquidation sort of is happening, but I am being very careful to enter the put trade. I am seeing a put trade, but no, I'm not, because we are actually seeing some acceptance around the previous day's VWAP. So I'm just carefully waiting and watching. Okay, so you saw that, right? The supply is just getting exhausted. So that's where you have to be a bit careful, because I was looking for, so pretty choppy. So I'm just waiting and watching the reaction at my levels. So let me see if there are any comments. Okay, no comments yet. Again, we are heading towards previous day's VWAP. And we are again, the supply is again shutting off. Okay, and overall yesterday, so we didn't have any trap buyers or sellers, but I'm seeing supply getting shut off at previous day's VWAP. So that's why I'm a bit careful, and that is also the T+2 high. So just being extra careful. I'm not in a hurry today. Currently, we are just trading within previous day's range. So except some choppiness, expect the price to be or the premiums to be getting eroded, and overall we are developing below the 930 level. Okay. So I'm looking at this, is there a supply? Yes, there is a supply at coming in. So if you see, there is a seller here. And we have got some trapped buyers. So I'm looking for supply to come in. There is a seller coming in at 930 level. But we did had supply shutting off around previous days VWAP. Okay, so I actually entered a call trade, but my trailing SL just got hit. When I entered, it went to 330 and then my SL got hit. So anyways, so this was the first trade. If you see 22, just in 6 seconds my SL got hit. So I'm just being a bit cautious. Okay. And the reason why I took this trade, this was more of a test trade. So good short covering seen, but I am looking for continuation now. There are trapped buyers here. There is also trapped buyer here. Okay, so I'm just waiting and watching. Okay, no, are there any comments? Nope, no comments. That's fine. So I want to buy a put, but I'm not so confident. Okay, so I'll just wait for them to play it out, clear it out. Okay, so I entered a call trade and yeah, the SL is just getting it, but yeah, entered at 24.47 and in next 10 seconds, you know, the SL got hit. But yeah, that was a quick short covering move I was looking for to come. It did came and then I quickly jumped in. Okay, so overall I have taken 2 trades, both on the call side, 43,600. First trade in 6 seconds my SL got hit. Next trade again around 12 seconds the SL got hit. Yeah, so just being very careful, extra careful today. So today is 22nd of June. Okay, so I am looking for continuation now, and there is a stop around 44,000 level. So I'm just looking to see whether the price goes till this level or not. Okay, this level is nothing but the J period high. Okay, so the algo, basically the indicators which I'm using, which I have coded myself, I'm seeing there is a stop order present here. Okay, and the reason why I'm today being a bit careful is yesterday this was one good trade. So basically I got two good trades wherein I made some good money, and it was more than 7%. So I'm just waiting for the right opportunity, because that's what it suggested me, that wait, have patience, wait for the right opportunity to come in, and then you can execute. Right now, the business conditions are not as per, or they are not in my favor, wherein I will be winning. So let the price be chopped off, and let's just observe the reaction at your levels. Okay, so what I'm looking for now is the price to move higher and take out the stops at this level. So yes, it is going there. Does it take out the stops at this level? And I'm looking the reaction at here, because I'm expecting some supply to come in and take the price lower. Okay, if not, then we will be seeing, because there after that we have got two more stops, two more liquidity levels. But overall, the auction is in favor of the bulls. It is above the 43,930 level, and there is some continuation seen. So as there is continuation, how I'm measuring continuation is, does it take the stops, does it takes the liquidity? If yes, then we can expect continuation higher. Okay, that's how I'm establishing the checkpoints and executing and understanding the trades, understanding the auction. Yeah, so once this is out, then we have got stops around previous day's high also. So okay, come on. So yeah, it is developing higher. Is it going to take out the J period high? I'm just waiting and watching at that level. Okay, so this is a 45-degree line, and yesterday we had a balanced auction. Yeah, we are developing above the previous day's value. We are above the value area high. Okay, overall delta is positive. Shorts are the ones who are covering right now. Now I'm just looking to see whether it takes out this high or not, this level or not. Yes, it is taken out. There is a seller there. And I missed entering. So I was looking at 44,100 put. It was available at 197. Now it is trading at 208, 2010, 210. Sorry. So yeah, more than 10 points is enough for me, but that's fine. Now it's trading at 214. Yeah. So this was this trade, the price, how it developed, it worked out perfectly as per my understanding. I was looking for a seller. Seller did came in. I was planning to buy a put, but currently I'm having a headache, so I'm just keeping things, with some patience. I'm just observing, I'm not actually executing any trades. Because mentally I'm a bit tired. I'm working since 3. Now it's 9:30. Yes, so six and a half hours already worked. Come on, now take out the, come on, continue higher. That's what I'm looking at. Come on, take out the J period high. There you go. Come on. Yes, yes, come on. We also have a VWAP here. Now I'm looking for the reaction at the previous day's high. So we have got some trap buying coming in. Okay, so yes, sellers is coming in. So I actually entered a long trade, but yeah, the SL got hit. Again, the SL got hit. So I took 2 more call trades, and the SL is just getting hit. So I've entered at 202. And this SL is also getting hit. So both the call and the put SL are getting hit. Now I'm seeing trapped sellers. So I've entered a call trade. 286 is my buy price. 281 is my SL. Yeah. Keep it 283. And the SL is getting hit. So overall I have lost 1%. Yeah, so earlier I was in profit, now I'm in loss. Yeah, still I'm a bit biased on the long side. Okay, so nice retracement is happening. I'm waiting for this level to be cleared. Okay, so good absorption of supply happening, and now I'm waiting for price to move higher. Yeah, so I was in a call trade. And my SLs are just getting hit. Okay, so currently I'm managing one trade. Yeah, it got hit. 280, 281. Yeah, it was at 290. Okay, so I'm just adding more SL, or more, I'm just losing out. Yeah, I just need to wait now. So we have a supply here, we have trapped supply here. So this is the range which I'm looking to get cleared. Okay, so now it is falling. This is cleared. Now I'm looking for the reaction here. Okay, so now it is dropping nicely. This is fine. Do we get continuation? Nice fall. Okay, some supply is getting absorbed. I'm looking for supply now. Okay, I'm waiting for supply to come in. Okay, supply is coming in. I am currently in a put trade. Okay, but yeah, it's just hitting my SL. So this was the put trade. I entered at 218 and SL got it at 218.9. Yeah. Okay, so it is chopping off, but overall I am in 2% loss. So I'll just now wait. Now some short covering is seen. Okay. So yeah, ending today's session. Yeah, do like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Yeah. Thank you. Take care.